Hey, it's Mike Berner, finance writer for business.com. In this video, we will discuss what accounting software is, how it can benefit your business, and some of the key features to consider before you make a final decision. So be sure to stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the video description for more small business content. Accounting software is any program that helps bookkeepers and accountants maintain a business's books and record financial transactions in digital form. One way to do this is with a simple spreadsheet, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. The problem is that, as many spreadsheet user knows, these are extremely prone to human error and the functionality is pretty limited for accounting. So it's an option, but you're probably better off with an actual accounting software product. There are many options for accounting software, and most are designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Examples would be QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Xero, and other vendors that we review on our Best Picks page. These programs help you to manage your books, send invoices, accept payments, and perform other business functions. Today, most of them are offered as a monthly cloud-based subscription rather than a product that is downloaded onto your computer. Finally, for larger, more complex businesses, you can of course create a custom solution, and there are companies out there that do this for clients. Now, why would you want commercial accounting software, you might ask? Well, an individual may be able to manage their personal finances on the fly, but haphazardly recording transactions and relying on bank statements won't cut it for a business owner. You really need to keep all your finances organized to prevent any negative surprises, and accounting software can help achieve that. Many time-consuming accounting processes can be automated, reducing the likelihood of mistakes. In short, the benefits include organized finances, cost-effective solutions, and ensuring compliance with tax laws. Now, if you're already in the market for accounting software, here are some features you might want to keep in mind. One is a bank feed, which allows you to connect to your business bank and credit card accounts. Many accounting software products also have bank reconciliation, allowing you to quickly identify potential matches between your bank transactions and bills and invoices that you've entered into the software. This feature alone can save you hours sifting through records by hand. There's also online invoicing, which is the ability to email customers and accept online payments. Many accounting software programs also feature recurring invoices, allowing you to automatically send out invoices for subscriptions and other recurring services. Automatic payment reminders can also help you get paid and not forget when someone owes you money. Every accounting program also generates financial reports. Some are more basic than others, and some require you to subscribe to a higher tier plan for advanced reporting. Something else to keep in mind is if you want a mobile app or lots of integrations with third-party business software products, because some accounting software providers offer these options better than others. Some businesses may also require more specific features. If you sell a physical product, then you might want to look for an accounting software service with great inventory management. And if you're a freelancer or you provide some sort of consulting service, then project-based billing could come in handy for you. Again, this is going to depend on your type of business and what needs you have in particular. Now, after all that, if you want a full overview of the best accounting software on the market, you gotta check out the best accounting and invoicing generating software guide on business.com. Our team compared all the top options, and we regularly update this guide with any new developments. If you learned something from this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We're always putting out content for small businesses, and definitely let us know what you think in the comments. See you next time.